How to fix wireless Xbox 360 controller that won't turn on. First, replace the batteries. Remove the battery pack from the back of the controller, install 2 fresh AA batteries or a fully charged rechargeable battery pack. Make sure the batteries are inserted with the correct positive and negative orientation. Dead or incorrectly installed batteries are the most common reason the controller won't power on. Step 2. Clean the battery contacts. Remove the battery pack, inspect the metal battery contacts for dirt or corrosion, clean them gently with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Let them dry before reinstalling the batteries. Step 3. Check the battery pack connection. If the controller still won't turn on, make sure the battery pack fits tightly. Press slightly on the battery pack while pressing the Xbox button. If it works only while pressed, the battery contacts may be loose. Step 4. Test with another battery pack. Try using another battery pack, another battery holder, a play and charge kit if you have one. If the controller powers on with another battery pack, the original pack is likely faulty. Step 5. Inspect for internal damage. If none of the previous steps work, look for corrosion or broken battery terminals, check for liquid damage, and consider repairing or replacing the controller if the internal power circuit has failed. Older Xbox 360 controllers can develop worn battery contacts or internal hardware faults after years of use. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.